Thank you, Sonia, for the introduction. Greetings, everybody. Once, like Sonia said, my name is Anakin Bosek, and I'm the founder of Bosek Industries, where we design custom parts to improve snowmobile performance both on and off the track. Throughout the U.S., there are race teams pushing themselves to get better, faster, stronger, but just falling short of greatness until now. But what problem are these teams actually facing? Well, during our customer discovery, we discovered that these teams face a high barrier of entry. With a lot of teams having backgrounds as mechanics and machinists, they lack the education to develop engineering solutions necessary to reach the podium. This causes the teams to take over 10 plus years to actually reach pro-level racing, leading to a lack of resources and sponsorships from not achieving those podium finishes. So our goal at Bosek Industries is to fast track these new and struggling race teams to pro-level racing. Our solution comes into three distinct parts: trackside consulting services, data analysis software of the vehicle, and the design of custom performance parts, where race teams encounter a problem, and we develop engineering solutions to then send to manufacturing to get the parts back to those race teams as fast as possible so they're ready for their next race event. But how do we know this solution works? Well, this last spring, I was contracted by the number 62 RCI racing team for a pro mod build, where both the chassis and the engine is fully custom, to race the Sioux I-500, where drivers make 500 laps on a 1 mile long ice oval track. For this team, I went out 2 weeks ahead of time to their shop out in Traverse City, Michigan, to consult on the sled build from the ground up, creating a baseline setup for going into the competition week. While at the competition, I performed data analysis and did custom fabrication on their suspension during the qualifying and practice events. Now on race day, we started off the race strong, moving from 18th to 1st, leading over 60 miles of the race, before finishing out the race in 7th place. So now, like most teams take over 10 plus years to reach and be competitive for that podium finish, we were able to get that team in the running in just 3. Now, how are we able to accomplish this? Well, I'm a mechanical engineering student at the University of North Dakota, and I have 8 years of professional experience in the racing industry, from snowmobiles to the IndyCar race circuit. I'm also a 3rd-generation racer, with my grandfather starting our racing legacy back in the 1960s. Currently, we're in the scaling phase of the business, growing from the 6 teams and 2 design contracts I personally do myself, to with the goals of controlling $500,000 of the market within the next 3 years. In order to accomplish this, we're going to expand our customer discovery into both the dirt bike and UTV series. We're also going to move to in-house research and development for manufacturing these prototypes to reduce lead times further so we can get the parts designed and to the race teams faster. We also are looking to obtain additional resources in engineering, testing staff, and additional shop space so we can handle the influx of potential customers. Right now, Bosek Industries is looking for additional mentorship and is offering investment opportunities. For those of you interested, feel free to talk to me up at the table and ask me any questions you may have. So together we can accomplish my family's model of fueling racers' passion today for the legends of tomorrow. Thank you.